Good morning, everybody. Welcome in science class. Yes, beta. Today we are going to start a new lesson, lesson 1, that is food. Okay. So in this class we are going to read 3 topics: food, its importance and balanced diet. Okay, beta. So open your book. Lesson 1, food. Ready for reading? Okay. Now beta, we are going to start the reading of lesson 1, food. Okay. So first beta, we all need food. We all need food. Food help us to grow. बेटा, what do you do when you feel hungry? जब आपको भूख लगती है तो आप कैसा फील करते हो? ठीक है. What do you do? क्या करते हो आप? You eat food. So we all need food and food help us to grow. Okay. It provide us energy. Food provide us energy. It keeps us healthy and free from deficiency disease. What is the meaning of deficiency? Means lack of any nutrients. Okay. So food keep us healthy and free from deficiency disease. Disease means बीमारी. ठीक है. तो food make us healthy and fit and free from deficiency disease. Food contains some useful substances that help us to live and grow. In food, there are certain substances are present in foods that help us to live and grow, and these substances are called nutrients. So food is one of our basic need, and all living thing need food to stay alive. It keep us fit and healthy, and in food there are certain substances. The food that you eat contain useful substances that are called nutrients. Okay, and your body require different nutrients for doing different things. So nutrients present in the foods are, which nutrient are present in our food? Carbohydrate, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, roughage and water. These are the nutrients present in our food. These are the important or useful substances present in our food that keep us fit and healthy and that help us to live and grow. Okay. Now next line है बेटा, all these nutrients are required by our body in small or large amount. ठीक है. These nutrients are required by our body in small or large amount. Some nutrients required by our body in large amount. Some nutrients are required by our body in small amount. Okay. Each nutrient have different functions. Okay. We eat different kind of food according to our taste and requirement. Some people like to eat rice, while some others like to eat bread or chapati. Some eat vegetarian, some are non-vegetarians. So nutrients are the substances which provide nourishment to the body. ठीक है. So balanced diet. A diet in which all the nutrients are present in proper amount, that is called balanced diet. Okay, the diet in which all the nutrients are present in proper amount means a diet in which carbohydrate is also present, fats, vitamins, minerals, protein, all the nutrients are present in proper amount, that is known as balanced diet. Okay, this is the balanced diet beta. A balanced diet keeps us fit and healthy. A balanced diet keeps us fit and healthy, and it protects us also from different disease. Disease मैंने अभी आपको बताया था ना. Disease, the meaning of disease is any, कोई भी बीमारी हो जाती है. Disease means बीमारी. ठीक है ना. A balanced diet keep us fit and healthy. Now what is food? तो फर्स्ट टॉपिक क्या है बेटा आपका? What is food? Food क्या है? तो food is a substance containing nutrients which fills our stomach and satisfy our hunger. You must have experienced that you start feeling hungry if you do not eat food for a long time. अगर आप कई देर तक खाना नहीं खाते तो आप कैसा फील करते हो, भूखा सा लगता है ना आपको कि हंग्री। तो फूड क्या करता है, फूड इज अ सब्सटेंस दैट फिल्स आवर स्टमक एंड सेटिस्फाई आवर हंगर। ओके, तो what is food? Food is a substance containing nutrients and which fills our stomach and satisfy our hunger. Now why do we need food? अब ये तो food था, what is food? Why do we need food? आप क्यों खाना खाते हो, बताओ, anybody knows? फर्स्ट तो क्या है बेटा, वी नीड फूड टू स्टे अलाइव। ठीक है, ऑल लिविंग थिंग्स नीड फूड और ईट फूड टू स्टे अलाइव। फूड हेल्प अस, फूड गिव अस एनर्जी टू वर्क एंड प्ले। ठीक है, फूड कीप्स अस हेल्दी एंड स्ट्रांग, फूड मेक अस हेल्दी एंड स्ट्रांग। फूड हेल्प अस टू फाइट डिजीज। ओके, अगर आप एक दिन भी खाना नहीं खाओगे तो आप कैसे फील करोगे, टायर्ड फील करोगे, है ना। तो फूड help us to fight disease. Okay, food protect us from disease. It repairs the worn out body part. Worn out body part means कई बार आपको चोट लग जाती है तो फूड क्या करता है, that repair that worn out body part. जो चोट आपकी लगती है उसको ठीक करने में, उसको रिपेयर करने में फूड हेल्प करता है। ओके, फूड बिल्ड आवर बॉडी एंड हेल्प अस टू ग्रो। जब आप बर्थ लेते हो, जब आप पैदा होते हो तो आप छोटे होते हो, बिल्कुल स्मॉल बेबी। ठीक है, और फूड आपको बिल्ड करता है, आपकी बॉडी को बिल्ड करता है और आपको हेल्प करता है ग्रो करने में। ओके, सो द मेन फंक्शन ऑफ फूड क्या है बेटा, व्हाई डू वी नीड फूड? और द फंक्शन ऑफ फूड इज फूड गिव अस एनर्जी टू वर्क एंड प्ले, फूड कीप अस हेल्दी एंड स्ट्रांग, फूड हेल्प अस टू फाइट डिजीज, food repairs the worn out body part, food builds our body and help us to grow. Okay, so we should never waste food because there are millions who do not get food to eat, so never waste food. हमें आपको जितना खाना खाना चाहिए बेटा उतना ही आपने प्लेट में लेना चाहिए। You should not waste food. Food is very important for all the living things. Okay बेटा, worksheet 1. Okay, unscramble the words to reveal the sum of the nutrient present in food. You have to unscramble these words. RTEAW. क्या बना बेटा ये? This is water. Okay. Now next STAF, that is fats. Next SLIENIMRA, that is minerals. Okay, so first is water, fats and minerals. Now question number 2, tick the correct answer. Food help us to grow, to fight disease, to repair the worn out body parts, or all the above. All of the above. The right answer is all of the above. So put a tick mark in front of all of the above. Okay, now question number 3, complete the following by filling in the blanks from the words given below. We need food to remain dash. We need food to remain disease, strong, repairs, or healthy. So right answer is healthy. Okay. Now food dash the worn out body part. Food repairs. Repairs the worn out body part. Food help us to fight disease. Okay, food keeps us healthy and strong. Okay, now question number 4, match the following. Useful substances in food. Fats, balanced diet, nutrient और food. तो right answer क्या आएगा बेटा? Nutrient. Substances that help us to grow. that is food. A diet in which all the nutrients are present in proper amount, balanced diet. Butter is a good source of fats. Okay. Now question number 5. Write whether each statement is true or false. Milk is a good source of fats. That is true. Salad as well as fruits are a good source of roughage. True. Food does not help us to fight disease. That is false. Food help us to fight disease. Okay. Why do we need food? Choose the correct option and write. क्या कर रहा है बेटा ये बच्चा? Play. तो food, we need food to play, to grow. ठीक है. और यहाँ क्या आएगा? To remain healthy. Remain. नीचे आपको ऑप्शन दे रखा है हेल्दी. ओके. और यहाँ पर टू स्टडी. ओके बेटा. तो यू हैव टू कंप्लीट दिस वर्कशीट एंड लर्न ऑल्सो. ओके. सो बेटा, you have to read all the pages of lesson 1 food and complete the worksheet and learn the worksheet also. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.